Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. I'm Shashi Rai. You are watching National News. India will begin trade talks with the US on specific business sectors starting Monday. According to a government official in New Delhi, these talks are happening quickly because India wants to take advantage of US President Donald Trump's 3-month pause on adding new trade taxes. The discussions will happen online this week. A senior official told Bloomberg that by the end of May, both countries hope to understand which sectors they can make compromises in. This news was first shared by the Indian media on Monday. India's richest business people have lost a huge amount of money in 2025, about 2.6 lakh crore rupees. This is mainly because the stock market has been very unstable and the global economy is facing problems. A big reason for this is US President Donald Trump's strong tariff policies, which have made trade between countries more difficult and caused markets to fall. Some of India's top billionaires affected by this include Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, Shiv Nadar, Savitri Jindal, Dilip Shanghai, and Azim Premji. The Donald Trump administration has made a new rule from April 11. All immigrants living in the United States must always carry valid ID documents with them. This includes people with green card, H-1B, work visas, and F-1 student visas. This rule comes after a US court said the government can go ahead with a plan that requires people living in the US without legal status to register with the government and carry ID papers. Now even legal immigrants must follow this rule and keep their documents with them at all times. India and China have had one round of talks about starting direct flights between the two countries again. But no dates have been decided yet. On Monday, India's Civil Aviation Secretary Umlurmang Uvalnam said that talks are moving forward, but there are still some issues to sort out. In January, both countries agreed to bring back direct air travel after almost 5 years and said they would work together on a plan to make it happen. India successfully tested its first laser-based weapon on Sunday, marking a big step in advanced defense technology. The weapon, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, in short form DRDO, uses a powerful laser to destroy unmanned aerial vehicles, missiles, and surveillance sensors. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.